From Los Angeles, TraderInsight.com presents Dr. Adrian Manz with today's 2-minute strategy session.
For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and I'd like to take a quick look at how to use the around-the-horn NASDAQ Scalper service. What we have on screen here is a 3-minute chart of BioMarin Pharmaceutical Incorporated, ticker symbol BMRN. And what we see happen is that the very first bar of the day prints the entry price at $37.77. This was, of course, a short side trade. We had a $37.62 initial scalp target, but very frequently when a first bar of the day gets us in, we'll see an extension, and the logical place to target that extension for is $37.34, which is the first support floor trader pivot. You can plot the floor trader pivots in just about any piece of charting software, and what they do is make a very nice boundary of where we expect price to trade over the course of the session. The red line here is the central pivot, and the green line is the first support area. After taking an exit at the pivot support, price moves lower, then reverses, moves higher, and does not get 8 cents above the entry line in the second bar, and that's definitely the number that I'm looking for, is an 8-cent violation of that high. So I'd be looking at $37.85. We only get as high as $37.83. The next bar does print $37.85, reverses lower, gets through the entry price, gets all the way down to the profit target and beyond. An exit at the profit target books 15 cents per share, and we get another move up and out and generate a third entry. The third entry comes down, misses the profit target by a penny, and when it gets back to the entry level, we exit for a break-even stop out. Price moves higher and triggers us in again. This fourth entry, right around 10 a.m. Eastern Time, gets us down to the profit target and immediately extends. Now, in a case like this, a good way to look for an exit is first either to target that pivot line, and second, if it doesn't make it to the pivot line before reversing, we'll exit on a reversal of 2 closes. So we get a lower closing price here, a lower closing price here, and in this bar we get a move that reverses both of these closes and triggers an exit right at $37.46. Another burst to the upside triggers another entry. This is 5 times that we're in this trade so far, and we get an immediate move to the profit target, another extension, and an exit right at the profit target based on that reversal of 2 closes move. Entry number 6 comes after a burst to the upside that reverses and again triggers a $37.77 entry with another $37.62 move. All in all, that's a $1.08 per share traded profit. It's all generated in the first 2 hours of trading. That tends to be the sweet spot for the strategy, that first 2 hours of trading for the day. For advanced traders who are looking to book additional trades, I like to go in, look for areas of clear support and resistance, like the one we see here, and use this line, this time at $37.52, as a new basis for entering short side positions. This does lead to additional significant profitability, but by far not as many entry opportunities as we see early in the session. That's just one example of how to use the service. There'll be plenty more to come in the future. If you have any questions, send me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com, and I hope you're having a great trading day.